Yeah. It seems like the world is testing me. Will I conquer or will I get the best of me? Half of the world sees success in me, the other half is second guessing me. But I kid you not, don't mess with me, cause I think I got something possessing me. No matter what, I'm gonna give what's left of me. I didn't choose this life, it was destiny. Now I'm feeling like a micro psycho. Zap I'm feeling like a mic blow. Didn't chance, but I'm putting up a fight though. They told me just the wrong path, but I know what's right though. Let's pick up the world and shake it. Throw it to the ground and laugh as I break it. Let the whole world know that I'ma make it. And if you don't give it to me, then I'm gonna take it. Beast mode, I'm in beast mode. Gunning for the top, cock back, reload. I'm a new man with a new attitude, but don't get me wrong, I'm still me though. I'm all in now, I ain't bluffing. I risk everything, regret nothing. My determination's disgusting. So every day my ass I'm busting. Let me take it back, break it down. Just a couple more months, then college bound. Got a scholarship, my bags were packed, and my world turned upside down when I got that phone call, so shocking. I thought my heart was stopping. Are you serious? This a one in a lifetime opportunity knocking. But wait, what now? Thought I had my whole life figured out. Everything I was unsure about was now skepticism and doubt. Almost lost control, lost sanity. Meanwhile my friends abandoned me. I felt lost in the world for a little bit. Had nobody but my family, but I bounced back and got in the zone. Late nights just me and the microphone. My friends were off at college while I was right here sitting at home. They were partying, I was cutting tracks. They were going out, I was making stacks. It's the road I chose, so you know I'm gonna walk here proud and never look back. Now, fast forward a couple years, most of my fears have disappeared. After the blood, the sweat and tears, I dedicate this right here to all my non-believers and haters. Y'all doing me nothing but favors. Keep talking, I can't hear you. Someone go get me a translator. It used to get to me, till he owned me. Think you could do better than show me. Those who know me least have the most to say. Don't judge me, don't know me, whether I'm a billionaire, flat broke. You think that matters? Is that a joke? If you ain't got talent, you really think money will get you anywhere? Nope. Or you wanna play music Monopoly? I've mastered the game, no tapping me. Taking over the world, what I'm money adds up. I'm just passing go, there's no stopping me. I work so hard, I earned it. It's mine now and I'll never return it. I'ma do it so damn big every day. My fans confirm it. So blast off, I'm out of here, out of this world to the atmosphere. So long, I'm gone. Been a hell of a ride, what a year, it's just the start. The beginning, the top of the very first inning. No need for a call to the bullpen, bottom of the ninth, I'll still be winning. What I went through, it was worth it all. All the times being pinned up against the wall, trying to please my family, friends and fans. When it's all said and done, after all, I gotta do what's right for me. I gotta chase after this dream. I'm so proud of us, how far we came. Me and my whole damn team. God, I'm just doing my best. For real, I feel so blessed. I think somebody's watching over me. Tell me, world, did I pass your test? Did I do this right? Please tell me. I need you now, please help me. Cause life don't come with no manual. I played the cards that you dealt me. My life is on the line every time I rhyme. Always on my grind 24/7.